Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're over in Portagrave. I'm going to show you guys all the beautiful boats over here that's lit up. And sit back and enjoy. I'm going to put them in my window right now. I got it up, that's why it's so clear. And sorry for any wind convenience, or if it bothers you, well, turn down your volume. Okay, so sit back and enjoy the video. This is the first boat, guys. I'm going to take my time so you guys be able to sit back and enjoy. First you got to put you guys on pause because there's a car coming there now. Okay, that's the second boat. Hey, you little tiny thing. Okay guys, I'm going to make you guys laugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you imagine being out on the Flemish Cap? Out on this? What the hell is that? Oh my god, that is small. That could probably take what? 100 pounds of capelin? Oh my god. Guys, look over there. Look at that beautiful home. Oh my god. And look at these boats. Holy moly. I'm taking my time with this video. I'm taking my dead time so you guys be able to sit back and enjoy, so it don't be a blur. You see a lot of videos, they're like a blur, like they're like rushing to get it done. But he's still got his capelin saying on. I'm not sure if that's a capelin saying or a hearing saying. More likely is a hearing saying. I say that's what it is. Holy. That's nice. Yeah. That's nice. And this one here. Holy moly, look at that one. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. That's really nice. And this one here. They're all beautiful. Takes time, buddy, to put all this together. It's a lot of time and, you know, a lot of care. Holy. That's nice. What's that? Bells? Ooh, I loves bells. Oh my god. See, I stops and let it focus. See, I loves bells. Oh my god. Look at all the boats over there. We haven't got to yet. Holy moly. That one's not done up. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and wait, no, I'm not gonna pause the video. Jeez, what am I doing? I'm gonna keep her going. Just let you guys see the boats anyway. Well, now I'm gonna pause the video because I got a while to go before I see any more. Okay, we're back here now. Okay, this here's a other boat. But look at see the capelin net all done up. Oh my god, that's awesome, guys. Look at that. I see Santa Claus. Oh my god, look at Santa Claus. That's okay. Oh my god, look at Santa Claus waving. See, guys? Look at Santa Claus is waving at you. And the anchor, look at that. Look at the nice anchor. And this one here. Big old boat. That's a big one. Holy moly. That's a big boat. Holy crap. Look at the size of that boat, guys. Whoa. That's a big boat. And you got one over here. It's a bigger boat. Holy. These over here blinks. Them over here, look at that. Holy crap, that's about 200 feet long. Big old giant thing. Oh, That's a big boat. Oh my God, look at the size of doors. That's doors right there. Right there. That's doors. That's a shrimp. They drops down and they opens up and that keeps your net open. Yeah. I knows all that because I was a fisherman for 29 years. He's from Labrador, that boat. Look at that, guys. Oh my God, this one here is blinking. Ooh, purple, my favorite color. Well, my second favorite color. Holy. Look at that. That's the other shrimp dragger. Yeah. Now I'm going to put you guys on pause because I got to be out on the road. So be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we are on the other side of the wharf. So yeah, look at that. Look, there's boats all over there. Like, my God, there's so many boats and lights and pretty. Yeah. Nice, beautiful candy cane. Another shrimp dragger. Yeah, that one there is huge. Look at that boat. Holy moly. See the crab pot over the side of her. He all lit up. Two boats here, side to side. That's dressed, they call it that. Two boats dressed, side to side. All done up. Ooh, nice candy canes. Look at all the candy canes in that boat. Cool. That's nice. And you got the Christmas tree on top and the stable, two antennas. Cool. Even that little tiny boat is done up. See, I had her anchor. Awesome. Wicked. Nice size boat there, all up nice and dry. You got a crab pot over there, that one's flickering. Holy moly, that's nice. Cool. That's awesome. Look at that, green and red. I like green and red. I don't like very many colors. Purple, red, green. That's more of my colors. Blue. Put you guys on pause, car passing. We're back. Those candy canes, boy. You got her nice and nice, well done up, nice bows. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty. I like that. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful over here, Porty Grave, guys. You gotta come visit. Look at the yacht. 2 yachts. Holy moly, that's nice. I like that. I like yachts. 3rd yacht right there. Cool. Well, guys, I think that's it. I think that's it for the fishing boats. Whoa, I'm not going out there. Is this safe? He sinks down a lot. As long as it don't sink down to the bottom of the water. Anyways, guys, look at this. Holy moly, look at the lights. Amazing. Alright guys, that's a 10-minute video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my video. And drop a comment. What do you think? Alright guys, I love you and stay safe. Bye everyone.